Everyone, I hope you all are keeping fit, healthy and fine. Today is 3rd of December, Friday. I want all of you to know that we are in a new month now, and also we are in the last month of this year, which is 2021. I want all of you to listen to me carefully. I have a new class today. I want all of you to learn it well from me. I want you to follow up with the pronunciation and also the actions that I'll be doing. So if you find it interesting, you can play the video again and you can learn it more, okay? It's not like it's the end of the video, you cannot watch it again, isn't it? Okay, so very good. I hope you all are active and ready to learn, isn't it? Yes, very good. So today I have brought another new song for the letter C, okay? But I want all of you to do it together with me. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Castanets is also a musical instrument, okay, which we use. So let's find it out. We are clicking castanets. K-k-k. We are clicking castanets. K-k-k. We are clicking castanets, clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets, k-k-k. We are clicking castanets, k-k-k. We are clicking castanets, k-k-k. We are clicking castanets, clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets, k-k-k. Okay, is there anyone whose finger snapping doesn't come sounds? Sounds doesn't come when you snap your fingers? If it is that, it's not a problem, okay? You need to practice more. I took lots of time to learn it. And I want all of you to keep doing the actions even though the sounds are not there. Can we do it again one more time? Okay, let's start. We are clicking castanets, k-k-k. We are clicking castanets, k-k-k. We are clicking castanets, we are clicking castanets, we are clicking castanets, k-k-k. Very good. Now I want all of you to learn some actions and some words that we will be following up. I want you to know that we C is for K. C is for K. The sound of C is K. I want all of you to repeat with me. C is for car. C is for car. C is for carrot. C is for carrot. C is for crocodile. C is for crocodile. C is for cat. C is for cat. C is for cat. Very good. Two more. C is for crab. C is for crab. C is for crayon. C is for crayon. Very good. What is crayon used for? For coloring. I hope you all like coloring, isn't it? I enjoy with crayons still. I like coloring with crayons. Okay, so now I want all of you to listen to me carefully and follow up with me, okay? Can I make the letters sound? Can I show you how? What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. This is the capital A. This is the lowercase a. You know how the C looks now. Let's make the letter C sound. K, 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 k. K, 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 k. Very good. That is the letter C sound. Okay, now I want all of you to do the actions well with me. Okay, are you ready for that? Yes, so let's start. C is for car. C is for carrot. C is for crocodile. C is for cat. C is for crab. C is for crayon. C is, you know some C word sounds. Let's make the letter C sound. K, 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 k. Very good. Let's do the actions one more time. C is for car. C is for carrot. C is for crocodile. C is for cat. C is for crab. C is for crayon. You know some C words now. Let's make the letter C sound. K, 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 k. K, 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 k. Now it's your turn. K, 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 k. K, 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 k. Very good. So we have learned the sound of the letter C is K. So now I want you to learn one more thing, another song which you have to follow up with me with the C is for car. C is for car. C is for candle. Candle. C is for carrot. C is for carrot. C is for cat. C is for coat. C is for cake. C is for candy. Okay, I want all of you to do it with me. And this is the letter C. Very good. Let's start. The letter C. C is for car. 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 C is for candle. Candle. C is for carrot. 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 C is for cat. Cat. C is for coat. 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 C is for cake. Cake. C is for candy. 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 C is for C. Good job. Let's repeat it and you have to do it again. Are you ready for that? Yes, let's start. I want all of you to do it well with me now. You have learned the actions. Learn the actions now. Let's start. The letter C. C is for car. 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 C is for candle. Candle. C is for carrot. 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 C is for cat. Cat. C is for coat. 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 C is for cake. Cake. C is for candy. 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 C is for Very good. The sound of the letter C is K. As you have learned the sound of C now, the sound which is K, I want you to practice more. I want you to repeat the video if you want to learn more clearly, and then see you in the next class. Bye. Thank you.